Hello, now let's solve practice set 2.5. Question first. Activity, fill in the gaps and complete. Let's write solution. Number 1, quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equals 5. B square minus 4ac equals minus 5. We are interested to write nature of roots. We learned that b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant, which is denoted by delta. If delta equals 0, then roots are real and equal. If delta is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And if delta is less than 0, then roots are not real. Here b square minus 4ac equals 5, which is greater than 0, and therefore roots are real and unequal. Similarly, b square minus 4ac equals minus 5, which is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. Let's see second sub question. Sum of roots equals minus 7. Product of roots equals 5. If alpha and beta are the roots, then from this information we have alpha plus beta is minus 7 and alpha into beta equals 5. And we are interested to write quadratic equation. We know that if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, then that quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. If we put these values in this equation, we get x square minus in bracket minus 7 into x plus alpha into beta is 5 equal to 0. On further simplification, it gives us x square minus into minus becomes plus 7x plus 5 equals 0 is the required quadratic equation. Okay, by using alpha and beta as roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, now let's solve third activity. What's it? If alpha beta are roots of quadratic equation, 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0, then alpha plus beta equals what and alpha into beta equals what? We learned that alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. Here b is the coefficient of linear term and a is the coefficient of quadratic term. That's why minus in bracket coefficient of linear term is minus 4 upon constant term is coefficient of quadratic term is 2. That's why it will be upon 2. Minus into minus gives us plus 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That's why alpha plus beta we may write as 2. Similarly, alpha into beta is c by a, means constant upon coefficient of quadratic term. Constant is minus 3 and coefficient of quadratic term is 2, and that's why alpha into beta equals minus 3 upon 2. Okay, thus we have completed all these three activities. Let's see question second. Find the value of discriminant. Question second, sub question first, solution. Here given equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0, which is in general form. Already it is in general form, and therefore comparing it with x square plus bx plus c equals 0. Yes, we are going to get a equals coefficient of quadratic term is 1, comma b equals coefficient of linear term which is 7, and c equals c is the constant term minus 1. We are interested to find discriminant, and therefore discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac. equals b 7 its square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and that of value of c is minus 1 equals square of 7 is 49 minus into minus gives us plus 4 ones are 4 into 1 4 49 plus 4 equals 53 and therefore delta equals 53, that is discriminant equals 53. Similarly, number 2 solution. Here given quadratic equation is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0 and therefore comparing it with general form ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Here variable is y, that's why we are going to write it as ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, comma a equals 2, b equals minus 5 and c equals 10 and therefore delta equals b square minus 4ac equals b square means minus 5 its square minus 4 into value of a is 2 into value of c is 10. That's why it will be equals square of minus 5 is 25 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 8 into 10 minus 80. Okay, 25 minus 80. 10 minus 5 gives us 5 and then 7 minus 2 gives us 5 and the sign will be minus. Therefore, discriminant delta equals minus 55. Let's see number 3 solution. Here given equation is root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0 and therefore comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, we are going to get a equals root 2, b equals 4, c equals 2 root 2 and therefore discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac equals b square means value of b is 4, that's why 4 bracket square minus 4 into bracket value of a is root 2 into value of c is 2 root 2. Okay, square of 4 is 16 minus 4 into root 2 into root 2 2 and 2 into 2 4 equals 16 minus 16 equal to 0 and therefore delta equals 0. As we were interested only with the value of discriminant, we give values of discriminant in all these three cases. Let's see question 3rd. Determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. Question 3rd, sub question 1st, solution. Here given quadratic equation is x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, comparing it with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equals 1, b equals minus 4, c equals 4. And therefore, as we are interested with the nature of roots of the quadratic equation, and we learned that roots of the quadratic equation depends upon value of discriminant, whether it is equal to 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0. Okay, let's find. Therefore, delta equals b square minus 4ac equals, b square means minus 4 its square, minus 4 into value of a is 1 into value of c is 4. Square of minus 4 is 16. Minus into minus gives us minus. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 16 equal to 0. And therefore discriminant delta equal to 0. And therefore roots of this quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0 are real and equal. Okay. Similarly, we can solve question second and question third. Sub question second. Solution. Here given equation is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0, and therefore comparing it with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 2, b equals minus 7 and c equal to 2, and therefore discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac equals minus 7 bracket square minus 4 into 2 into 2. Okay, square of minus 7 49, minus into minus gives us minus. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 49 minus 16, 9 minus 6 gives us 3, 4 minus 1 gives us 3, and 33 is greater than 0, and therefore delta is greater than 0, and therefore roots are real and unequal. Okay, because delta is not equal to 0, it is greater than 0, therefore roots are real and unequal. Similarly, question third. Solution. Here given quadratic equation is m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0, and therefore comparing it with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0, because variable is m. We have a equals 1, b equals 2 and c equals 9. Therefore discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac equals 2 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into 9 equals square of 2 is 4, minus into plus gives us minus. 4 ones are 4 and 9 fours are 36. 4 minus 36 gives us minus 32, which is less than 0, and therefore delta is less than 0, and therefore roots are not real. Okay. Question fourth. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Number 1, 0 and 4. Okay. Question 4, sub question first. Solution. Let One of the root is alpha, other root is beta. That's why let alpha equals 0 and beta equals 4, and therefore alpha plus beta equals 0 plus 4 equals 4, and alpha beta equals 0 into 4 equal to 0. Now a required quadratic equation is required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket close into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is x square minus value of alpha plus beta is 4 into x plus value of alpha beta is 0 equal to 0, and therefore it will be x square minus 4x equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x plus 0 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation in general form. Number 2, solution. 3 and minus 10. Let alpha equals 3 and beta equals minus 10. Therefore alpha plus beta equals 3 plus minus 10 equals minus 7. Alpha beta means alpha into beta equals 3 into minus 10 equals minus 30. And now a required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket close into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 7 bracket close into x plus alpha into beta is minus 30 equal to 0. That is x square minus into minus gives us plus, 7x plus into minus gives us minus, 30 equal to 0. X square plus 7x minus 30 equals 0. Sub question third, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Sub question fourth, sub question third, solution. Let alpha equals 1 by 2 and beta equals minus 1 by 2. Therefore alpha plus beta equals 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2, it gives us 0. Alpha beta means alpha into beta means half into minus half equals 1 into minus 1 gives us minus 1 upon 2 into 2 gives us 4. Now a required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket close into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is x square minus in bracket value of alpha plus beta is 0 into x plus value of alpha beta is minus 1 by 4 equal to 0, and that is x square minus 0 into x gives us minus 0 plus into minus 1 by 4 gives us minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. That is x square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Okay, if we want to form it in linear form, write in linear form, then we will multiply both sides by 4. Okay, therefore it will be 4x square minus 1 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Sub question 4th. Solution. Let alpha equals 2 minus root 5 and beta equals 2 plus root 5. Okay? Therefore, alpha plus beta equals 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Minus root 5 plus root 5 will cancel each other. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Alpha beta means alpha into beta gives us 2 minus root 5 into 2 plus root 5. Okay, it is in a form of a minus b into a plus b, and we know that expansion of a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, means square of 2. Square of 2 is 4 minus square of root 5, and square of root 5 is 5. 4 minus 5 gives us minus 1. Now, a required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket close into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. That is x square minus in bracket value of alpha plus beta is 4 bracket close into x plus in bracket value of alpha into beta is minus 1 equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x plus into minus gives us minus 1 equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Let's see question 5th. Sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Question 5th. Solution. Let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation. Yes, given quadratic equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, that is, let's write it in a form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. And therefore, comparing it with x square plus bx plus c equals 0, we have a equal to 1, b equals minus 4k, and c equals k plus 3. Okay. Now, alpha plus beta equals minus b by a equals minus 4k upon 1. Minus gives us plus, that equal to 4k because denominator is 1. Alpha into beta equals c by a equals k plus 3 upon 1 equals k plus 3. From given information, he tells us that sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Then find k if the equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and therefore from given information, sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equals 2 times the product of roots. This will be the equation. This will be the equation formed from given information. But alpha plus beta is 4k. And 2 into value of alpha into beta is k plus 3. Let's write it in bracket, k plus 3. That is 4k equals 2 in bracket k plus 3. Now let's simplify it. Therefore 4k equals 2 into k gives us 2k. 2 into plus 3 gives us plus 6. 2 3s are 6. Therefore 4k minus 2k equal to 6. And therefore 2k equals 6. And therefore k equals 6 upon 2. Therefore k equals 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. K equals 3. Okay. Let's see question 6. Alpha beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. Question 6. Solution. Here given quadratic equation is y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, and therefore comparing it with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equals minus 2 and c equals minus 7. And therefore alpha plus beta equals minus b by a equals minus value of b is minus 2 upon value of a is 1. Minus into minus gives us plus 2 upon 1 means it will be plus 2. Alpha into beta is c by a equals minus 7 upon 1 equal to minus 7. Now, number 1, we are interested to find values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Now, alpha square plus beta square equals alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta. That equals alpha plus beta is 2. That's why 2 square minus 2 into value of alpha into beta is minus 7. Square of 2 is 4. Minus into minus gives us plus. 7 2s are 14. 4 plus 14, 18. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square equals. Number 2. Let's find alpha cube plus beta cube. We have an identity which is called as expansion identity. Alpha cube plus beta cube is nothing but alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. Now let's put values. Alpha plus beta is 2. That's why 2 cube minus 3 into value of alpha into beta is minus 7 into value of alpha plus beta is 2. Let's put that 2 equals cube of 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, that's why net will be plus. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, and 8 plus 42 gives us 50. Therefore alpha cube plus beta cube equals 50. Let's see question 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find k. Okay. Question 7, sub question first. Solution. Here, given equation is 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0, which is in general form. Okay. Therefore, comparing it with ay square plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 3, b equal to k, and c equals 12. And therefore, discriminant, that is delta equals b square minus 4ac equals k its square minus 4 into 3 into 12, that equals k square minus into my plus gives us minus 4 3s are 12, and 12 into 12 144. Therefore delta equals k square minus 144. But here roots are real and equal. Since it is given, and we know that if roots are real and equal, then delta equal to 0. That is, here value of delta is k square minus 144. That is, k square minus 144 must be equals 0, and therefore k square must be 144, and therefore k equals plus or minus 12, and therefore k equals 12 or k equals minus 12. Now let's see second sub question. Solution. What is second sub question? It is here given equation is kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. It is not in general form. First of all, let's simplify it and let's obtain it in general form. Kx into x gives us, therefore kx square, kx into minus 2 gives us minus 2 kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is in general form, and therefore comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equals k, b equals minus 2k, and c equals 6, and therefore discriminant, that is delta equals b square minus 4ac equals minus 2k bracket square minus 4 into value of a is k into value of c is 6 equals minus 2k square, which is 4k square, minus into minus gives us minus. Okay, 4 6 are 24 k, therefore delta equals, but here roots are real and equal. since it is V1 and therefore delta must be 0, that is 4k square minus 24k equal to 0, and therefore yes, we may take out 4k common, 4k in bracket, k minus 6 equal to 0, and therefore 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0, and therefore k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. But k equal to 0 is unacceptable, since if k equal to 0, then coefficient of quadratic term will be 0. Then coefficient of quadratic term will 0. Will be 0, and equation will not quadratic. Okay, and therefore k must not equal to 0, and therefore k must be equals 6. Thank you.